you seriously still wiping your butt? Folks, let's say this is your sphincter. Now, this is your sphincter on TP. You call that clean? I call that bad bunghole hygiene. A recipe for skid marks, crack scratch fever, mud butt, or worse. Fact, I haven't wiped my butt once in 6 months. Fact, my stinker is squeaky clean. How to do it? I started blasting my crack with the #1 most effective cleanser of all time, water. Well, this right here is the Clear Rear Butt Spray Bidet. This incredible breakthrough in toilet technology can be installed on any throne in the nation in under 15 minutes. No special tools, no expensive plumbers. These days, when I finish my business on the bowl, I just twist that dial and let my Clear Rear do all the dirty work. From stink to pink in seconds flat every time. And unlike this rough stuff, Clear Rear won't scrape or irritate that sensitive sphincter. Folks, it's time to wake up. Say no to Big TP and stop wiping your butt. Millions of Americans are saving money on toilet paper, spending less time in the bathroom, and enjoying cleaner sphincters with the Clear Rear attachable bidet. Just click on the button below to get started or go to truthaboutbigtp.com. Right now they're offering an incredible discount and a 30-day satisfaction guarantee for TP truthers like yourself. But only while supplies last. Now to show you just how easy it is to install the Clear Rear Bidet, I've got a correspondent in the field. Brittany, are you there? Tell us what you see, Brittany.
Hey, Alan, I'm here right now with what appears to be a standard US toilet. But in just a few short moments, we'll have a top-of-the-line butt spray device installed.
Excellent, Brittany. Let's get right to it.
Step 1. Remove the toilet seat. Step 2. Plop down that beautiful Clear Rear Bidet. Replace the seat. Step 3. Unscrew the water line, then screw it right back into the Clear Rear. The entire process takes 15 minutes max, and as soon as you're attached, get ready to feel cleaner than you have in years. The Clear Rear Bidet is fully customizable, including a pressure-sensitive nozzle so you can aim the spray and control the flow.
Looks delicious. Well, any final thoughts for our viewers, Brittany?
My bunghole is grinning from cheek to cheek, Alan. Not a single dingleberry in sight.
I've been saying it for years, folks. It's time for Big TP's butt-scraping agenda to end. It's time to release yourself from the tight stranglehold they have around your sphincter. That's why, well, if you want a pristine pooper like myself and Brittany, I'm urging you to click that button and pick up a Clear Rear Bidet right now. They've got an ironclad 30-day satisfaction guarantee and a potent discount at truthaboutbigtp.com. I have one in every room at the compound. Gave one to my son Gary. Old Grandma Burns has got a high-powered Clear Rear installed. She loves it. Her friends come over and blast that woman's bowl. My entire family loves this device, and more importantly, folks, your sphincter's gonna love it. Pick up a Clear Rear today and boost that bunghole hygiene. Start living that 21st century pink sphincter lifestyle, folks. Transform the whole hole, ladies and gentlemen, from stink to pink without using the sink. Truthaboutbigtp.com.
If you want a shiny hiney, nothing beats a Clear Rear.
I call that bad bunghole hygiene.
My brown star is whistling, Alan, and frankly, I'm concerned.
Click the button. Click the button. Click the button.
Click the button.